Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. Excellent tool for presentations. Okay, now that we have PowerPoint open, the first thing we're going to see is the page to open a new one if you want a blank presentation. But PowerPoint already has a lot of templates saved for you to make it easy to create a PowerPoint presentation. If you see in the top right here, it has all the main use by names. You can search. Actually, you can search here for a specific one. You have presentations. You have themes, charts. But in this case, we're going to start from the beginning. Let's just select the blank presentation. Okay, now that we open a new presentation, we have the layout. This is the layout you guys gonna see. First, before we start doing any type of editing, I'm gonna show you guys. Microsoft select everything in groups. Okay, here on top we have what we call the tabs. Each tab is selected and has different groups. Each group, if you see right here, we have the clipboard groups, and we have certain menus right here. We have slides, we have fonts, paragraph, drawing, and find, select, editing, different groups. Let's see if I click here in the title, and we click on fonts. Now we have more functions, more groups to what we can do with the text or the title that we're going to select. For the font, character spacing, headlines, different type of fonts that we can use, font style, size, color, you name it. All the features that's under font. Okay, if we click on paragraph, we have all the functionalities on the paragraph too. And you guys probably ask yourself, why is all these tabs, ribbon, groups? Well, because the program, Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, has too many features, so many features that they cannot show in once. So that's why Microsoft makes it easy for us to select it, put it the main ribbon with all the tabs in each ribbon, to make it easy for us so we can see all the functionality that are in groups for a specific function. Another main function the program has is, let's see, if you're looking for a specific feature and you're not unable to look for it, just goes right here, okay? You have the light bulb over here, and with the light bulb, you click on it, and you can actually type what you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for fonts. You type fonts, and it will give you the group, and open up the group and know the type of fonts and settings that we have on the fonts, size, themes, colors, etc. So even if you don't see right here and you don't want to be clicking in the ribbon, looking where are the fonts, if you're right here, you can just go right here straight and type colors, and they give you all the functionalities that you have about colors. They give you the menu, the view colors, etc. Okay, so now let's go and start creating our PowerPoint presentation. Start in our first line of the sign. We have, this is the first slide. Here it's going to be showing all the slides when we start creating more, which we're going to. Let's start with the first one. Let's start with the title. Let's name this steps to create a video. Now, if we go here to design, we have PowerPoint give us a lot of designs already here that we can select to make it easy. Once we click on it, not even clicking on it, you just drag your mouse on top of the design and it will show you how it will look. Okay, let's select this one, and we can change this to, if we want a more center, if we go to home, right here we have in paragraph, we told them that I want a center, and it will center for us. And then here we have the steps to create a video. Here we can add something else, a subtitle. Let's say to you, let's put a capital, to you to channel. Once again, we want this in the middle. We can easily just click in the box and tell them to want to center it, and it will center for us. So now it looks like we have our first slide. Okay, now that we have created the first slide or our title that we're working on, now we're gonna go here. We're here, home, the home tab, and this is the other groups that we have for the home, and we can create another slide. There's different ways to create the slides. We can create the slide by just clicking here with a new slide, just the tab, and automatically create the slide. We can click the arrow down and it shows the different type of slides and how we want to arrange the content. But that's for another advanced more video. So we leave it like that, and every time we click, it creates a slide. We can right click on the slide, we can delete the slide, or right here too, we can right click and create new slide. For now, let's delete this slide. Let's work in our second slide. So here, say create to add a title. So we're talking about steps to create a video for YouTube. So let's see items. I'll just leave it items. And then right here, we can say content. Equipment, ideas. We can talk about scripts, material, and etc. So now we have our second slide where we talk about the items that we need to create a video: content, equipment, ideas, scripts, materials. Okay. Also, I want to show you guys do something. Don't think that because you create this design, you already stuck with it and you're gonna have to delete everything and start from scratch and get all frustrated and start doing stuff, etc. I'm joking. But no, really, you select this design, but you can always change it. Your content, your everything that you put on it, it will not change, it will not go away. So let's see if you don't like the design, so you can go again to designs and you can change it. You select any one you want, and everything that you already type, everything that you put into your slide, it stays there. And move it depending how the design is, but your content doesn't go away. So let's not stress about that. So let's change it. If you click in this one, you see how it's changing all the design, and it will follow to all the slides. Let's find something here more. Let's try that one. Okay, see? Now you see that all your slides change. And so you guys can play with it. You guys can just select which one do you guys want, create the slide, and then you can always change it and make it more creative. Okay, now that we have two slides over here, but we want in our second slide put some pictures on it. There's a different ways that we can use the software to add pictures. If we go to the menu here, insert, we have pictures. If you have pictures you already save in your computer that you want to put on in your slides, just click pictures, and it will take you to where you have it. Let's see, I have some that we can use here, pics. Let's choose this camera, insert. Now we have it here. You see that when you click on the picture, it shows the dots. When it shows the cross like this, I mean we can click on it and drag it anywhere we want. If we go to the edges, we can actually size it and then size it we want and move it. You see the spiral right here. That means you can actually turn it around any way you want. We'll put it back again how it belongs. There we go. And let's say that you want blue pictures online. So again, you go to insert and you select and you group in the tab it says online pictures. Here it's going to take us to the internet, and here you can search for what you're looking. Let's see, photo. Enter. Yeah, it's going to show you photos. Let's see, photo. Let's go for cameras. Cameras. There we go. So we have different type of cameras, and you can select any one you want. Let's see, we select this one. You click insert, and it will bring it from the internet. Like I said, the size is not exactly how you want it, so you can just drag it, make it smaller. Right here, it's always going to put the content where you got it from here, but you can delete the part just to click on it and click delete. Okay, so we had when we put a picture from the internet, it's going to give us always the title where we got it from. That's easy. We don't want it. We click on it, right click. Select it, and you click cut, and it's gone. Another feature that we can use we can create. If we go right here, say format, we can make it the picture looks a little bit more better. We can we can be creative with this software. Let's try something. Format, and here you see all the pictures and styles that we have selected this picture right here. So we can actually go, if we click this one, you see how we change the picture like this. We can go right here, and if you click the arrow down, they have more features. Let's see this one. So kind of makes it like a reflected 3D style. We can change this one to anywhere we want to. Go to format, and see it like this. So now we kind of making the picture look some more our style, how we want it. Also, you guys you can insert symbols. If you go to here, you can do a screenshot of the computer in your photo albums, shapes, icons, 3D models. Let's see, we want to put shapes. You can select here and they give you all the shapes you have. Icons, the same here. We can select any icons we want. Okay. Let's see, we select that one. And also put it right there. But we just working in our picture, so we can just get rid of that one. So it's up to you guys. You guys can go to the software, to the Microsoft PowerPoint, create the slides, design the way you want. The good thing about Microsoft PowerPoint is it's really easy to use because you can actually work on it and create it the way you want, the way you like. All the changes you want. Uh, PowerPoint has a lot of features that you can play with them and see which one is the best for you or which one you like. Okay, now that we have the two slides done or the way we want it, we want to see how it's going to be looking once we do our presentation. When we do a presentation, we can see how the slides look. So the easy way to go is if you go right here in the bottom right corner, and it has the little presentation icon, left side and right side, and it will show you the slides. Click escape and take you back to the slide. Okay, so now let's be more creative. Let's see, we want to create some effects in the pictures, make it more better design. So if we go to animations, right click, right here, click in animations, and we select this picture. This is all the type of animations that we have. It has a lot of animations. If you click the down arrow, this is all animations that we have. Let's see if we click this one. You see the pictures there, and it shows you that it has the animation right there. But if you want to see it better to know which ones you've been using, click here, say animation pane, and it shows you the picture has the number one, has this type of animation. Let's change it to wipe. And let's select this one to turn. There we go. Now we're showing right here that we have these two animations. Okay, now this is, we select those two, and it's not just only the pictures. We can select each of the items. Let's see the title, and we can create an animation on it. And we click zoom, and now that one has an animation. And this is the order. You guys will see now what it means with the order. If we click, we want the title to be the first animation, we click in the title right here, it's a title, and we're gonna drag it to the top. Okay, let's test it out. So now we have those three animations. So we're going again to presentation mode. Okay, now we're here in presentation mode. If we click anything that you click in the keyboard, or a lot of the presenters, or if you have the Bluetooth clicker or to do presentations, you click on it, it will go to the presentation, and then we click, it will start showing the items how you want them. Okay? So like I said, you guys can play with it, you guys can do all kinds of changes, and it's up to you guys how you guys want it. Okay? You can play it all, it will show you how it will look with the presentation. Another features that we can use with the presentation and the animation is we can actually select the time and what do we want to do with it. Let's see if in the items here, we can, right here in the corner, we can tell them to use with preview, after preview, on the click. Right now on the click, and the duration. You can change all that, you can play with that, and see how you guys like. You can select the orders, the timing, how, reorder animations, move for later, move for earlier. You click that one, you want this one be earlier, so it goes to the first one. This one will be number 2 and number 3. So now that we have our presentation done, and you guys did all the changes you guys want, you can go ahead and save it. Saving it is exactly the same like any another file that you guys save under Microsoft. File, save, and you can select where you want to save it. And once it's saved, you can put it in a thumb drive, take it to another computer, And if that computer has PowerPoint, you can click on it, opens it up. You can re-edit if you need to do last minute changes, or you can just click presentation and go for it. I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna keep doing some more videos, a little bit more extends, more advanced features in PowerPoint. If you guys have any questions or any about the software or what to do, feel free to leave me a comment. Please subscribe so I can give you answers and any questions that you guys have about Microsoft. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a comment and hope you guys watch all my videos. And thanks for watching.